I will move on to Mr. Muyiwa Akande, that's a corporate affairs manager of Sifax. First of all, what's the link? Sifax is one body, and then the advocacy is another one. So, why the interest?
Well, maybe I'll just quickly talk about Sifax Group. Sifax Group is a multinational corporation with interest in maritime, aviation, haulage and logistics, oil and gas, hospitality, and we have presence in about 5-6 countries. So that's about us. But our link with advocacy, we believe that we are not only in business to make money. We believe that a business must be socially responsible. We believe that the business must impact the community. We believe that the business must take care of issues around the community. So basically that's why we put our support behind any cause that we believe is going to be socially impacting, and we feel that one of the areas where we could make quick impact is working with various NGOs that are working around children living with different types of disabilities, because these are the group of people that are normally neglected. They don't get the kind of support that they need. There are even some parents who keep them because of their condition. They don't go to school, and the kind of support that they should get, they don't have it. So we believe that there are NGOs around working around this, that they need our support, so that, because being disabled does not mean you don't have ability in you. So we need to support these people so that we can bring out the ability in all these children who are living with various disabilities. So that's why Sifax Group is supporting these NGOs, and we're glad that our partnership with Initiative for National Growth over the last 6-7 months have been very productive, because we've seen them doing a lot of outreaches and with a lot of outcome that is helping these target children.
So apart from the Initiative for National Growth, you also involved with other groups as well?
Yeah.
Other groups. Still on, is it specifically for kids with disabilities or broader?
Well, this is just like a bit of what we do in the CSR space. We actually have a foundation, Ajoke Aisat Afolabi Foundation, AAF. It's been 10 years. They've been around for 10 years. Apart from what we do from our own end, from the corporate affairs department, we have a foundation, and the key areas that we attend to: education, health, empowerment for the less privileged. We pay tons of money for school fees every month, every time rather. We do intervention, building and innovating schools. We do medical outreaches in local communities. We do a whole lot. We do a whole lot. So this is just one of the things, and we have a widow empowerment program as well, where widows are trained and supported. So, and they even get startup funds to, after being trained in various skills, they also get startup funds to kickstart their life, because we understand what widows go through after they've lost their husband. Most of them are denied their benefits. Some of them don't even have money to send their children to school. So we have program for the less privileged generally. So the issue of supporting NGOs working with children with disabilities is just one of the various things that we've been doing over the years.
Fantastic. Apart from what we're doing right now, the interview, what other means have you applied to actually get the public to know what you do? Because there are people individuals who definitely like to be involved, to join in the natural, philanthropists here and there. So do you have programs open programs that the general public can actually come to access you, to interact?
Well, sometimes I think in September we celebrated the 10th anniversary of our foundation, and it was like a 1-week program. We had an outreach where we visited some local communities, where we attended to their needs in terms of free medical support for them, and some widows were also empowered, and we also had a lot of programs over the one week, and I think it was also a time where because we also have a base in the north as well that take care of the northern zone of the foundation. It's based in Zaria, and we use this avenue to reach out to people. Our website is available for those who want to reach us, both the company and the foundation. So we use all this platform to reach people, and people also use it to get across to us as well.
All right, fantastic.